Want to upload a logo to your website but aren't quite sure how? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So to do that, you're going to want to start here from the dashboard, and from here we're going to go down right here to the studio menu. From the studio menu, you want to go down and click on Logo Upload. So from the logo upload screen, it'll ask you to upload a logo. So just click on from a file or media gallery or from a URL. So from here, we're going to do media gallery because I've already uploaded our photo. And we're just going to choose our logo and voila. So once you're done picking the right logo, just click on upload and that would be the logo that is uploaded to your website. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.